pressure. It's the force exerted by the atmosphere on a surface per unit area. It decreases with altitude and is measured in units such as Pascals or millibars.
Temperature. It's the measure of the thermal energy of the atmosphere. It affects weather patterns and is measured in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit.
Precipitation. It's any form of water, liquid or solid, that falls from the atmosphere and reaches the ground. This includes rain, snow, sleet, and hail, and is measured in millimeters or inches.
Humidity. It's the amount of water vapor present in the air. It is often expressed as a percentage, known as relative humidity, or in grams of water vapor per kilogram of air, which is specific humidity.
The mixing ratio is, the ratio of the mass of water vapor to the mass of dry air in a given volume. It's usually expressed in grams per kilogram.
The saturation mixing ratio is the maximum amount of water vapor that air can hold at a given temperature and pressure. This is also expressed in grams per kilogram.
Radiation is the energy emitted by the sun that reaches the Earth. This includes visible light, ultraviolet light, and infrared radiation. It influences temperature and weather patterns.
Wind velocity. Well, it's all about the speed and direction of the wind. It's typically measured in meters per second or kilometers per hour.
The adiabatic lapse rate is the rate at which the temperature of a parcel of air changes as it moves up or down without exchanging heat with its surroundings. The dry adiabatic lapse rate is about 9.8 degrees Celsius per kilometer.
The environmental lapse rate is the actual rate at which atmospheric temperature decreases with an increase in altitude. This rate can vary depending on local weather conditions and altitude.
Windroses are a graphical tool used to show the frequency and direction of winds at a particular location. It provides a visual representation of how wind speed and direction are distributed over a specified time period.
These parameters are crucial for understanding and predicting weather and climate patterns. They are measured and analyzed using various meteorological instruments and techniques.